If you love sour cocktails, mezcal and coconut rum, you need to check out this smoked coconut sour on Let's Talk Drinks. Hey guys, so I've been here the last few hours filming cocktails and I just thought of a drink in my head. I'm going to make it without even seeing what it tastes like. And hopefully, a little bit of experience and knowledge, I might get it right. Okay, let's get into this. So I'm a lover of mezcal. I haven't been drinking it for a long time, but I'm just starting to find that I'm adding it to a lot of things. Instead of normally I used to add a smoked, like a whiskey, a peated whiskey from Islay or something like that. I love the versatility of using a mezcal. So I'm going to make a drink that comes out in a coupette this time, a sour. I've been doing a fair few sour videos and they've all come out in lowballs or rocks glasses. And the first thing that I'm going to do, which I always do when I use a coupette, is ice down my glassware. If you have room to keep your cocktail glasses inside your freezer or your fridge, that's fantastic as well. So as you guys know, I'm also a big lover of coconut. So I wanted to do coconut, smoke, a little bit of chocolate in a sort of sour form, and let's see how it goes. So the first thing that I'm going to do is 30 mils of the Dead Man's Fingers coconut rum. Really loving this stuff at the moment. Next up, for my smoky element, I'm going to use the Maguey Vida Mezcal. I find that the Maguey isn't overpowering in the smoke because some of the mezcals are a lot more smokier than this one, and I don't want it to totally overpower the taste of the other ingredients. Next up, just to add a little bit of bitter chocolate element to it, I'm going to do about 10 mils of the Mozart black chocolate, because everybody knows that chocolate and coconut goes really well together. Next up, 30 mils of fresh lime juice that I squeezed just before. 15 mils of some sugar syrup, just to sort of really bring out that flavor of the coconut, because the coconut rum that I'm using, the Dead Fingers, is pretty dry. And last but not least, 30 mils of either Aquafaba or egg white. I'm going to give it a dry shake, just to emulsify the egg white or the Aquafaba. And then some ice. All right, that's looking so good. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is double strain it into my coupette. Oh, I can smell it already, the coconut smoky that's coming from the mezcal. And I'm going to add just 3 drops of Angostura bitters as well. How simple is that, guys? So I'm going to give it a bit of a try. That's awesome. Works really, really well. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Hit subscribe, like, comment. Do you have another type of sour that you like to use? And we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.